How to download Fiverr app on your iPhone device. Are guys facing issues to download Fiverr app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now click on search icon and search for Fiverr. Once you search for Fiverr, click on the second option where you can see this icon for Fiverr. Tap on it. Now click on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna download Fiverr app on iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.